It feels amazing. My wife and I absolutely love the house. Everything came out much better than we could have ever imagined. I mean, everything was total perfection. Every detail is just amazing to be here every day now. So it's actually more than one room. There's so many rooms in the house that we love and just love showing people, between the bar and the dining room and the gym and the secret office behind our bedroom. Like my wife and I will say, every room is like a wow. And so we love to show everybody all the different rooms in the house. So I don't know if we're ready to renovate an entire house again right now, but we would definitely choose Hernan and recommend Hernan for a massive project like this. Definitely when we started to see floors and the walls go up and all the different materials that we had chosen get put in place, it really started to come together, and we knew it was going to be great when we started to see that.